Welcome back to another Drawing with Trowbro, and today we're not actually going to be drawing, we're going to be folding. So maybe it should be called Folding with Trowbro, because this month is Origami month, and we're going to be looking at the Japanese art of paper folding. Coincidentally, that's exactly what origami means, paper folding. So today we're going to be learning how to make a cootie catcher, also known as a fortune teller. So get your piece of paper ready and let's get started.
Alright, so to start my cootie catcher, I'm going to start by taking the blank side. Alright, and on the other side I have a nice little color pattern. Now if you don't want to color this, you can just use a regular plane of... So, I got my piece of paper right here, colored on one side, blank on the other. You can do it all blank if you want to, but I wanted to do a nice little color design. Keep it simple, nothing crazy. And I'm going to turn it back over, and then I'm going to fold it from the bottom to the top. Make sure the corners line up. Crease it. Open it up. Got a nice line going that way, and I'm going to close it like a book. So I went from bottom to top, top to bottom. Now if you feel like I'm going too fast, go ahead and pause the video, rewind it a little bit, watch what I do, then copy me, pause it when you need to. Alright, now open it up. Now the reason why we folded that is because now we got a little plus sign, a little fold. It's called valley folds because it goes in. And what we're going to do is we're going to use these little corners to help us bring in our paper. So I'm going to grab each corner, I'm going to bring it right to the center, but I don't want it to touch. I want it to be just a little short. So just make it a little shorter than those lines. Not a lot shorter. You don't want it to overlap. You want it to be just a little short of that center. And we're going to rotate it. I'm going to do the same thing to all the corners. So I bring it in, but I don't want it to touch. You can kind of see there's a little gap from that triangle. See, there's a little white line all the way through because I don't want them touching. Really important that they don't touch because when we get to folding this up, okay, we don't want to be crowded. Sometimes the paper will get crowded. I hold my corner down where I want it, and then I crease it. I press down the paper, creates a fold. It's starting like an envelope right now. One last one. Notice that none of them are touching. Little gaps. Little gaps. Hold it down, crease it all the way. My paper's ripping a little bit, so you gotta be careful with that. I blame the crowns. Alright, little gaps. So it looks kind of like a box or a present, or like an Xbox if that was green on the inside. So, with those down, I'm going to turn it over. Make sure they stay down. Turn it over. And you should still be able to see the center. There's a center. I'm going to use a Sharpie so you can kind of see it, but there's a little center right there. And we're going to do the exact same thing we did on the other side. So that means I'm going to take this corner, bring it in right to the top, but make it a little shorter. Once you get it there, crease it, crease, crease, turn it, and do the same thing for all four corners. Bring it in, make sure they get close, and make sure you're still leaving that gap. See, there's two little gap between my two little triangles. Turn it, same thing. Alright, a little short, fold, crease, fold, crease. Alright, turn it over again, whoop. And now, I'm going to fold the last one. And close it, fold it. They're going to want to pop up, so you're going to have to like push them back down. Alright, now, I'm going to pick it up, and I'm going to turn it back over, so it looks like an X again. See that little Xbox symbol? Alright, I'm going to turn it over. Okay. Oh no, actually, no. Let's keep it like this. Let's keep it like that, and then we're going to fold it in half. Fold it in half so that I see a square and a square. Okay. And then what I'm going to do. All right. So this part's a little tricky. So I just folded it in half. Okay. So I folded it in half, and I grab the bottom corner and this corner. And you kind of use your other finger, kind of open that up, and then I'm squeezing this together. Now, if you folded it the same way I did, it kind of wants to do this. Okay, so hold it like this, and then you're going to have to like kind of push that way and push that way, and then it'll make like a cool little diamond shape. Okay? Now, once you get this, what I like to do is I like to put one finger on each side. Okay? We almost have a cootie catcher. It's basically done. And then what you want to do is you want to open up each flap. So you like lift up your thumb, open up the flap, put your finger down. So take your one finger off, open up the flap, put your finger there. Take off one finger, open the flap, put your finger there. Open up flap, put your finger there. And then and so the way you hold it is you put two thumbs, two fingers, and then you pinch open, pull apart. So now what you do is you want to do numbers or letters. So if I was looking at this, okay, I want the number to be facing me. So think of this corner as the bottom. And so then I would have put numbers on here. So I could do like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then on here, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then to close it back up, kind of open this up a little bit, squeeze it together, pull out things, kind of rotate, lift the finger, open it up. So then you open, pull, open. So somebody says 4, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they pick a number like 3. 1, 2, 3. Then pick another number like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they say 7. And then you would sit here and then you open up 7. And then right here on this corner, you could write something. So this is where the fortune comes in. You could do like teacher. I could just do jobs. All right. Teacher. CEO. Trash man. YouTuber. Let's do mailman. Or mailwoman, whatever. Mailman. Mankind. What's another job? Let's think. Taxi driver, I don't know. Taxi driver. Greeter at Walmart. Greeter at Walmart. And then my last job could be bus driver. You could be more creative with your jobs. All right. Now I'm going to close these. I'm not going to look and see what numbers they are. No. Okay, fold it in half. Open it up. All right, now let's see what my job is going to be. I have totally forgotten what is what. So here we go. All right, let's do 2. 1, 2. And let's do number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now a job. Let's do number 5. You ready here? What am I going to be? Greeter at Walmart. Yay! Welcome to Walmart. How may I help you? All right, guys, that is our fortune teller. I hope you enjoyed it. You can write whatever fortunes you want. Just make sure that you're being polite, you're being kind, because I don't want to have to take any of these fortune tellers / cookie catchers away.
Well, kiddos, I hope you had fun making origami. Make sure that you keep practicing. I know origami can be a little challenging, and it usually takes me a few tries when I'm making something I've never made before. But as you practice, you can go and watch some of my other videos, and there's a lot of the skills that carry over. Once you know how to do a paper fold and a reverse fold, you can pretty much make almost anything out of paper. So I will see you next time on Drawing with Trowbro.